Hi my friends, today I'm gonna show you how to upcycle baby clothes. One of the baby clothes I'm gonna recycle today is a bodysuit. It still fits my daughter, but she doesn't wear it anymore as a bodysuit, so I'm gonna make it into the sweater. So I'm just gonna take erasable pen and mark the line, and we're just gonna cut it. After cutting it, you can just serge and top stitch it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this trim from the bottom. How easily you can remove the cover stitch you can find on my channel. Now I'm gonna measure the length of the trim that I needed for the front and the back side, and I'm gonna cut the length that I needed of the trim. After you cut the length that you needed for front and back side, we will have to sew them together. Make sure you're matching the right side on the right side, and then we're just gonna stitch it 1/4. After I sew them together, we're gonna attach it to the bottom. I'm gonna match the side seam with the seam of the ribbon, and I will pin them together. And I'll sew it right where is the crease. After sewing, I will serge the other edge. So as you see, this is the top part and this is the bottom. So I want to hide the edges, so I'm just gonna fold it right in the half, and we're gonna do the top stitch right where the first stitch is. You also can use double stitch, or you can also use the cover stitch without using the serger. After it's done, I'm just gonna press it at the edge, and I will also gonna press from inside as well. So our sweater is ready and she can wear it at least for another year. I hope this is gonna help you a lot. Don't forget to upcycle, redesign and reuse some fabrics. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.